Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to code guys infinix phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys infinix phone guys screen rotate problem how to solve. Friends, you have your on your infinix mobile screen rotate problem, so how to fix and how to solve. Friends, you can see my phone screen rotate automatic. Friends, you can see when I own any file, when I own friends YouTube app, any app, friends, you can see screen rotate automatically. Screen show this interface. So how can I solve this problem on my Infinix mobile? So friends, same problem you have on your device. So how to fix screen rotate problem? Open your friends Infinix phone setting. Friends, you can see phone setting icon. Setting we will on. After on phone setting, friends, you can see this type interface on your Infinix mobile. So friends, you can solve your screen rotate problem from your phone special function setting. Open your phone special function setting. After in special function setting, friends, click here accessibility setting. After friends accessibility setting, scroll it. Auto rotate screen setting is on. So friends, turn off auto rotate screen, and friends, you can check your screen will not rotate automatic on your device. Friends, screen rotate problem will solve. So like that friends, you have your screen rotate problem on your device. So friends, you can solve screen rotate problem. And friends, again if you on, so friends, you can see screen will rotate automatic. You want to rotate screen, so friends, you can see we can rotate screen and we can use it. And again friends, you have problem, so friends, again open your phone setting, and friends, you can solve this problem with shortcut setting also. Direct friends, click at display brightness setting. Auto rotate screen is on. Turn off auto rotate and screen will not rotate. You can check. So like that friends, we can fix screen rotate problem on Infinix mobile. So bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.